In this video, we're exploring the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop, a machine designed to deliver smooth gaming performance without compromise. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming desktop in the description below at the best price. The first thing you'll notice about the Codex R2 is its powerful Intel Core i5-14400F processor, which uses a hybrid architecture to handle both demanding games and everyday applications with ease. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, this setup ensures fast multitasking and minimal lag, so whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the performance stays consistently smooth. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card is another highlight of this system. It brings ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics to life, giving you sharper visuals and higher frame rates in modern AAA games. If you're someone who enjoys customizing visuals, the built-in ARGB lighting across the system allows you to personalize your gaming rig with a range of vibrant effects using the MSI Center software. This adds a touch of flair without overcomplicating the setup. Storage and speed are also well covered with the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering quick boot times, near-instant game loading, and plenty of space for your favorite titles. The 80+ gold-rated power supply ensures energy efficiency while providing stable power delivery, keeping your components safe and performing reliably during extended gaming sessions. MSI didn't cut corners on cooling either. The Codex R2 comes with multiple ARGB fans and an RGB CPU air cooler, which work together to maintain optimal temperatures. Even during heavy gaming, the airflow design keeps the system cool and quiet, although under extremely heavy loads, you might notice the fans ramping up slightly. Connectivity is modern and fast, thanks to Wi-Fi 6E support, which ensures low-latency online gaming and smooth streaming. For those who need a versatile desktop for education or everyday use, Windows 11 Home provides a clean, user-friendly interface with access to the latest productivity tools and security updates. Overall, the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop balances power, speed, and style. It's perfect for gamers looking for a desktop that can handle modern games while offering customization and efficient performance. While the design is somewhat minimalistic, it emphasizes function over flash, and the combination of strong components and advanced cooling makes it a compelling choice for both serious gaming and daily tasks.